Hi, my name is Randy Lowen. I've been working for Flexo products for 30 years, selling and servicing cleaning equipment, and today I'd like to introduce the Viper AS5160T automatic floor scrubber. So here's the Viper AS5160T 20-inch automatic floor scrubber. Lifting up the recovery tank lid, we can access the vacuum float. Make sure that it's always kept clean. Ensure that the lid gasket is in good condition before replacing the vacuum lid. Always rinse out the recovery tank when finished for the day. At the front of the machine is a filling port to fill your clean water. Lift the recovery tank to get access to the batteries. Always make sure that this gasket seal is kept clean to ensure a good suction. The squeegee assembly is attached to the machine using these two knobs. Make sure that the squeegee blades are kept clean and in good condition. You can raise and lower the squeegee assembly with this lever. We also have our dirty water drain hose on the left side of the machine, as well as the battery charging cord on the right side. Here is a foot lever which raises and lowers the scrub head. To attach the pad holder, I center the machine over the pad holder on the floor. Drop the head with the foot lever. Turn on the machine and activate the palm switches to attach the pad holder to the machine. Turn on the vacuum motor and begin scrubbing. So there we have the Viper AS5160T 20-inch automatic floor scrubber.